Hi everyone, I'm Azra. I'm in MBA Özce High Schools and she is Doğa.
Hi, I'm Doğa and I'm from MBA Özce High Schools.
Today we are debating for two topics. First topic is, can AI replace the teachers in the future? Second topic is, learning with AI is more fun than learning with the books. So first of all, I will start. So Doğa, I believe that AI can replace the teachers in the future because with the help of AI, students have personalized learning programs or learn individually even in the same classroom. Also, for example, teachers may have more than 10 students and they can't remember or they can't notice each student's learning skills. But with AI, this is not a big problem because AI can notice and AI can remember all things of each student's, for example, learning skills. And also when preparing exams, AI much useful because sometimes teachers get tired or they can make mistakes when controlling exams. And I think AI can replace the teachers in the future. What do you think about that?
Well, I don't think AI can replace the teachers because AI is more likely to serve as a helping tool. It can replace the teachers. Possibly. Why I think like that is because even though AI helps with a lot of things, it still can replace the teachers because teachers have emotions and they can have a conversation with the students personally. But AI can't do that. They can observe the students' skills and level, but AI can't do that either. AI can just help with the most common things that it's programmed for, but teachers can just observe the students' learning skills and how they can just explain themselves. Teachers can just help them personally with the things they can understand, but AI can't do that.
Okay, you said that teachers can help personally to students, but I said that also AI can help to preparing a learning program for individually, even in the all students. And also nowadays people use AI to explain topics and students can also use them for explain topics with AI and it is more effectively for students. And also now's education is I think not equal and with AI we can solve these problems because in rural areas, students in rural areas can't get equal education, but with AI this is not a big problem because AI can make equal education for each student's countries and the students. So it is, I think, more useful and effectively students to our education, world education. This is my opinion.
Well, not all students have access to AI. I think teachers are better in education than AI. Like there's Duolingo and other apps that helps people learn languages, but it's not always effective in daily life. Like it doesn't teach you how to speak in daily life. It just teaches you the words and the other things. But when you just go on YouTube, there are a lot of teachers that teach you how to express yourself and talk with other people.
Okay, so now I think I talk about two second topics. I think AI is more enjoyable and interactive with learning AI because every student's level is different and AI can prepare the lessons, topics with each student's level and that is better and students can study what they want and whenever they want with AI. And you said also Duolingo. I said Duolingo too because Duolingo makes feel like a game, each student, but there's also teaching languages with motivation high and this motivation will be professing students can much need to go to school and they want to go to school with this motivation high. And finally second topic, I can say that students can learn with AI much effectively and interactive with Duolingo or another apps or another thing they want. And this is my opinion.
Well, my opinion on the second topic is I think books are more fun and it's more likely better than AI because I'm gonna give an example from our daily life in school. We are given reading books by the school to us and they give us homework that we read them and come to school and discuss it with the teacher and each other. There are some classmates that we have they don't read the book. They ask ChatGPT the last day, and it doesn't give you the whole story that's going on in the book. It just gives the conclusion and the start, but it doesn't give you the progress. So you don't learn the whole book, the details and other things. But when you read the book, you just understand everything and you imagine the things that's going on in the book, and you sometimes like it, and it just helps you, or you just see something in the book that you see in the daily life. So I think reading books are more fun than AI.
Okay, today we are debating for AI in education.
Thank you for listening.